Oh no, guess where I am? Meadowhall. Ah! Why am I at Meadowhall? Because of you guys. It's your fault that I'm here. Why? Basically, you're ticking. The camera itself is ticking. I noticed this just as I was finishing last night's vlog. I just finished talking. I was about to turn it off and I'm like, what's that noise? I put the camera up to my ear and click, 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 click. And I remember Kate17 on one of her vlogs. She's got the same camera. I'm not really sure if she still has it, but she had a similar problem. And from what I remember, it got louder and louder. So that's why I'm here. I'm going to take you back to the place where you were born to see if I can get you sorted out, because I could hear it through the speakers on my laptop. And because with my hearing, I've got really good hearing, I can attune to certain sounds once I detect them. And because I detected the click, 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 that's all I could hear. And so I'm going to see if they will, I don't know, replace you or repair you. So let's go. Dum 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 dum. What the heck? What's this? Okay. Let's see if I get told off for filming. By the way, the man I've just talked to said that it's the autofocus on the camera, that it's constantly focusing, and that's what the clicky noise is. And because I was doing it in a very quiet environment, I could hear it more prominently. I'm using a lot of big words. Anyway, I'm happy, so let's carry on. I'm going to do a bit of shopping while I'm here, might as well. And I've got security looking at me. I wonder if they're going to tell me off again. No, didn't seem bothered. It must be when I've got a camcorder in my hand. Oh, when I said shopping, I meant HMV. I kind of didn't get as far as HMV, which is right there. I got as far as these pictures. I'll show you in a bit what I bought. Well, I didn't buy no DVDs for myself, but I did get some CDs and a Christmas present for somebody, which I won't show you. I had to get out of there. Started with the screaming kids. I don't mind them shouting, it's when they scream. Can't be doing with it. Right, I think I need to go to the Asda now. I think. Do I? Maybe. We'll see. This is a funny looking Asda. No, I didn't go. Traffic was getting bad. I think it's because it's school run time. And I've become very, very tired, so I hate to come home. And I'm doing this again. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I bought. First off, what I bought in HMV, the 2 CDs for myself. Not sponsored. David Guetta, I don't know how you say his name. And the reason that I bought it, because it's 2 for £10. The soundtrack. It's not the score music, but what can you do? And the thing that I bought just before it, let me just get it out. That means I've got to put you down. Hold on. I was wanting it before. Here you go. Oh, it's shiny. There we go. And it's a canvas one. That is just awesome. There's even a little signature here. I like that a lot. I must do, because it cost me £29. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I will. I'm already looking at a place. Do I really want to put it there, because I've already got Superman there and there twice? I'll find a place, don't you worry. Oh, just before I go away, I want to elaborate more on the clicking sound on this. And the thing he said was, maybe I heard it more because I was in, well, here, where it's quiet. And that'll be why I heard the clicking noise. Whereas I'm out and about like I was at Meadowhall, I'll not hear it as much. But he did say keep tabs on it, and if it starts getting louder, I don't know what this means, I think that means louder. I'm going to put my hand right in this pocket right here. If it gets any louder, take it back. So it's still under warranty, blah 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 blah. Okay, now I'm going to go, because I'm going to keep rambling otherwise. But yeah, I like that. Is he good? He's good. I'm not going to do a silly voiceover. I'm doing a silly bit. No, I'm not. No. I'm going to go. So until whenever, peace out.